In this lesson, we'll be looking at trigonometric ratios, right triangle problems, and the trig ratios. You'll be able to represent each of the trigonometric ratios as a comparison of sides and hypotenuse of a right triangle and apply them to find missing lengths. So first we start off with, what are these ratios? The first one's called sine. It's abbreviated SIN, but it's pronounced sine. And it is a ratio. The sine of an angle, we'll put in an angle measure, or it is an angle right here, equals the fraction, the ratio, the opposite side or opposite leg over the hypotenuse. The cosine, abbreviated COS, is the ratio of the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the tangent, abbreviated TAN, the tangent of an angle equals the side opposite or leg opposite over the leg adjacent to the angle. So the first step in doing any of these trig problems is learning how to label the side. Where is the opposite side, the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse? Well, it depends on which angle you're talking about. So this first set is with respect to angle A. If we're looking at the sine of angle A, or the cosine of A, or the tangent of angle A, any of those, with respect to angle A, we label the sides like this. Well, of course, these are the two legs right here of a right triangle, so this must be the hypotenuse. The side opposite is opposite this angle right here. We've talked about opposite a few times, If I take and draw this, opposite this angle is over here. This side is opposite. So with respect to angle A, when we're talking about angle A, this is the side opposite. So that leaves the third side is called adjacent, and that is this one. With respect to angle B, if we're finding the sine of angle B, or tangent of angle B, or cosine of angle B, we label the sides this way. Of course, this side is still the hypotenuse over here. But now, opposite angle B, instead of A, is this side. So with respect to angle B, when we're using angle B, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent. So depending on which angle, and you never use the right angle, it's always one of these acute angles that we're dealing with. The only thing that changes is side opposite and adjacent. Okay, so learning how to label these is the first step, and so you got to practice that in your quick check problems coming up now. So if you click on the quick check problems and go ahead and try those online, and then you'll get to the second part of this video. But again, you mark the angle you're talking about, look for the hypotenuse, then go to the side opposite, and then the last side is always adjacent. Same with this one. I marked the hypotenuse, the longest side, then I went opposite the angle we're using, B in this case, opposite's over there, and the third side's adjacent. Good luck with the quick check problems. Go ahead and do them now.